Hello children, welcome to my channel Let's Learn with Monami. Hello Monami. Hello teacher. Hello friends. Today we will learn about farm animals and their families and also about their shelters. To do that, let me take you to a farm.
Hey Gigi Goat, where do you live? I live in a loafing shed. Now, let me introduce you to my family. A baby goat is called a kid. A father goat is called a buck or a billy. And mother goat is called a nanny or a doe. Hey cute cow, what is the name of your shelter?
I live in a barn or a shed. Let me introduce you to my family. A baby cow is called a calf. We live in a barn or a shed, but our calves live in a pen. The mother cattle is called a cow, and the father cattle is called a bull.
Hey horse, where do you live? We live in a stable. Let me introduce you to my family. A baby horse is called a foal. A mother horse is called a mare. And a father horse is called a stallion. Hey red hen, where do you live? We live in a coop. Let me introduce you to my family. The female is called a hen. The male is called a rooster. And the babies are called chicks. Hey quack quack duck, where do you live? We live in ponds called as duck ponds. A father duck is called a drake. A mother duck is called a hen. And baby duck is called a duckling. Hey Baba sheep, what is the name of your shelter? The name of a sheep home is called sheep pen. Let me introduce you to my family. The mother sheep is called ewe. The father sheep is called ram. The baby sheep is called lamb.
Let us quickly revise animal families and their shelters. Goats. Goats live in loafing shed. A father goat is called as Billy. Mother goat is called as Nanny. And the baby goat is called as Kid. Cattle live in barns. Father cattle is called as bull. Mother cattle is called as cow. And the baby cattle is called as calf. Horses live in a stable. A father horse is called as stallion. Mother horse is called as mare. And the baby horse is called as foal. Hen lives in coop. The father chicken is called as rooster. A mother chicken is called as hen. And the baby chicken is called as chick. Duck lives in duck pond. A father duck is called as drake. A mother duck is called as duck and a baby duck is called as duckling. The name of a sheep home is called sheep pen. The father sheep is called as ram. The mother sheep is called as ewe. The baby sheep is called as lamb. Thank you children for learning with Monami. You all were wonderful learners.
Friends, please do not forget to like, subscribe and share the channel. Bye friends.
Bye children. See you in our next episode.